Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are trying on the Alo Yoga Airlift Street Goddess Bra Tank and the Airbrush Mesh Everlasting Onesie. So first up we have the Air Mesh Everlasting Onesie. Now I've always been really intrigued by this item, and when I placed the order I thought there's probably a 50-50 chance that I even have anywhere to wear this. Nonetheless, I had to give it a go. Now, I tried this item in an extra small, which is my usual size in Alo Yoga, and I do think it fit true to size. Alo refers to this item as so snatched. This to die for onesie in cotton matte airbrush fabric gives easy movement, light support, and sculpting stretch. I do agree that the airbrush fabric that does feel cotton matte for some reason, I'm not entirely sure how else to explain it, does give a light support, but I would even say it's even kind of like a light medium support. It did feel pretty sturdy and it felt pretty secure. Alo also shares this underbust binding, has a built-in bra shelf, and a flexible corseted bodice with mesh paneling that create a snatched silhouette for studio or street. Overall, I loved the look and feel of this item, but I don't really know how practical it is. Next up, we have the Airlift Street Goddess Bra Tank in a size extra small in the classic red color. This one was defined by Alo as an instant street icon. Stop and stare at this bustier-inspired beauty. The Airlift Street Goddess Bra Tank is a practice-to-pavement fave, with elevated front seams, a built-in shelf bra, and adjustable double straps. Now it's interesting that I'm reviewing both of these items together because they do both kind of give that bustier or shelf bra type of look and feel. Alo shares this is a lightweight contouring ribbed airlift material that sculpts and lightly supports with ease. Make this look even more major with matching high-waist airlift leggings. That's what they say on their tag. So overall, I don't necessarily think I agree that this is a lightweight or light support item. I do think that the double layer of bra actually gives it a lot more support, and because it does have that removable cup, it's again even more. You can see I've paired it with the flutter leggings and not the airlift street leggings, but I kind of like the look. I think it might be a little clashing with the flare, but you tell me. I overall really liked this tank. I thought it was, just a basic cami, kind of put up another notch. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.